Hey, what do you think? What do you think? Too much? It's too much, isn't it? Idiot. Today was a great delivery day. Just had all my TBS merch turn up. Got my new hat, my t-shirt, my hoodie, my masks. Anyway, the reason we're here today, I keep getting asked what products I should use, how often you should use them, what are they used for. So I'm going to create a little mini series going through each and every individual product, each and every individual product. Easy for me to say. And I'm going to explain to you what each of them does. But I thought the easiest way for me to do this to start off with is show you what my daily routine is. So without further ado, let's get it. So that is my routine. It's not overcomplicated, it's pretty simple to follow. It is basically oil every morning, balm every morning, and a little bit of nighttime oil before you go to bed. And I use a shampoo conditioner about 2 to 3 times a week. Unless I'm going down the gym and stuff like that, which makes it a bit dirtier, I might use it more regularly. But other than that, 2 to 3 times should be sufficient. Now, like I say, I'm gonna go over every product in detail in this little mini series. But for now, I'm out of here and I'm gonna get working for you. Till next time, look after those beards. Seriously, I'm going home. I'll be late.